starting off from this hotel in Gwalior, Hotel Golden Square. I booked it through OYO and it's about 8:50. I got a little late because breakfast wasn't ready. Anyways, so time to go.
In 400 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Jinsey Road, number 2.
Today's destination is Delhi. Looks like there used to be a tram running through here. The highway to Agra is another 60 kilometers or so. And once I reach there, I'll have to take the diversion towards the expressway to Delhi. And it's already so hot, I can't tell you. I mean, I'm really sweating inside my helmet even now. Oh, that looks like some kind of a fort. The road isn't that great. As you can see, it's all patchy and things like that. You can maintain a speed of 80, 90, but still it's a little risky. People over here just don't know how to stop. I mean, they just don't care. Once the vehicle is in motion, it's like they're not supposed to stop whatever it is. So that Pulsar guy right there, he's been trying to race with me for a long time, but I've not been paying attention to it. It's a freaking highway, dude. He doesn't give a shit. Am I on the wrong side of the road? So I've just entered Agra now. I'm about 5 kilometers or so away from Agra. So I guess from here a few kilometers and then I'll be joining the Yamuna Expressway. Hope that's good, but there's nothing that can save me from this heat. Oh god, it's so intense. Wonder how people stay here, man. I might have to take a small break as I'm feeling really tired and drained because of the heat. So I shall probably see you guys in a bit whenever I get to the Yamuna Expressway. नोएडा दिल्ली का और आगे से देना है क्या? Finally I have entered the expressway, Taj Expressway or Yamuna Expressway, I don't know what it's called. Woo! Finally, the Yamuna Expressway. Honestly, I'm a little tense because my fuel is about half tank, so I don't know if there's any fuel station until Delhi. I checked with a couple of people, they said I'll find a petrol bucket about 50-60 kilometers from here. So I hope I find it. Once I find it, should be fine. And I'm riding at about 80s and 90s because they have put boards everywhere saying there's cameras, and also one of my cousins has informed me that there are cameras. So it's better not to speed. As long as your vehicle can maintain speed just 90, I think it's pretty good. So just have a look at the road. That toll was Taj Expressway or something, and that was just 15 rupees, and this thing to Greater Noida is 205 rupees for even bikes. So it's like all the tolls that I've not paid until today, I have to pay it at one shot. दिल्ली नोएडा से आगे एक ही है ना? like BIC, I think, if I'm not wrong. Motor racing circuit, yes, that it is, BIC. So finally took the exit from Yamuna Expressway and now entering Delhi. My hotel is close to the airport, which is showing 42 kilometers. It's saying 1 hour, so I'm pretty sure the traffic is going to be pretty bad. The ride has been great. It was good riding on the Yamuna Expressway, but with the heat on top of your head, you really cannot, ride fast or even enjoy anything that is good. You just want to get to your destination, switch on the AC and sit down and relax. Yeah, nevertheless, it was still great. Different experience on a well-built road, and it's also maintained quite well. But yeah, you need to watch out for your speed and your tires, because if you're riding too fast for a very long time, there are chances the tires might get burst if your tires are already worn out, or if your tires have been overinflated. So that's it. You just have to take care of those couple of things. So I guess I'll just see you guys once I get to the hotel. Hello people, so I just reached Delhi airport at about 3:30, and I just got freshened up, and luckily the place I stay has a KTM showroom service center right next to it, hardly about 500-600 meters. So I just came down here at Bagga Link KTM to get my bike checked and have it serviced and check if anything's wrong.